Hello and welcome to today's episode of T-SARP. I'm your host, Andrew Weir, and today is Hackathon Eve. And, like usual, our wonderful co-hosts are Sam and Steven.
Hi. I like hacking.
Yeah, I like the name Hackathon really is not a good name. That's why they came up with Code Conquest, but that just never caught on. I mean, it kind of did. We just say it sometimes. But
Yeah.
the Code Conquest Eve, it doesn't roll off the tongue as much, you know? So, lots went on today. Actually, we have a continuing story from yesterday, too. But before we get into all the cool stuff about Hackathon, Python 3, and all the really important stuff, let's talk about GimKit. So, GimKit's finishing up construction on their new GimKit Creative mode, where you can make your own games. So that's pretty cool. They gave a tiny little preview of it. So it looks pretty cool, I gotta say.
I actually just saw that post and I said, it looks like a whole new coding language I'm gonna have to learn.
I mean, I think they're engineering it with, like, the idea that you don't need to know how to code, it's just, like, drag and drop and stuff. But it would be cool if they made, like, a Python module where you could just, like, code a game right there and import it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be cool. I know that there might be, like, some security problems with that, but it would still be cool.
GimKit, if you're listening, please add this.
Yeah, we're the GimKit, Kidoyo, and nothing really about AI. Nothing AI has been going on recently, so, forget about that.
Except for one of the lead guys quitting because he's scared of it.
Oh, yes. That's for another day. Also, today, I already talked about modules, with the GimKit, but the module we talked about yesterday that HackerMan's proposed was already added. So, Mentor Bo and the whole Python 3 editor team, I guess, looked at it. They're like, this looks good. They looked up some things about it, and they're like, yeah, this seems good. So they added it in. So if you want to go check it out, it's in there right now. There was a few other fixes too, like small bug fixes I heard with one of the, like, trying to clear the console didn't work, but they didn't make a whole update. It was just like some quick little thing, so it's not in the updates section. But so that's why we're letting you know. And so that was really cool. So that goes to show if you have a library you want them to add and everything's good with it, just send it to them and they'll look into it. And if they think it's good, they'll add it. So that's pretty cool. Hooray. So if you don't know, today is May the 4th be with you. Happy Star Wars Day, I guess, And also, every year in the Hopog MS community, Mr. Ferrara made a badge a long time ago and a challenge, and basically you can do that challenge only on May the 4th, and after that you can't do it. So it's an annual thing on May the 4th. It has to do with you have to replicate a scene from Star Wars, I believe. I did it last year. I didn't do it this year.
I did it too.
And I still got it.
Yeah. Sam never saw it.
It just has to be Star Wars.
I think I did
just
Yoda
Star Wars related.
Later fighting.
Yeah, Sam has never watched Star Wars in his life.
Right, I thought.
But also, Melora got the badge this year, so she heard of it. I believe on Twitter, Mr. Farrar posted something, so she looked, and sure enough, there it was. So she got it. I don't know what she did for it though, because it's not like public when you submit for a challenge. Not everyone can see what you did to get it. But, so I think that's pretty cool. And when I saw her do that, I was like, hey, while she's in here doing challenges. So I sent her the link to the TSARP quiz, and she took it, and she got it first try. So now she has the TSARP badge. Your TSARP. Now 26 people have it. That's a lot. If you want to get it, you have to be in Hopog or be a mentor, If you go to Mineola, sadly you can't get it, or any other school. So yeah, May the 4th has been fun. Mr. Farrar changed the theme in Hopog MS community to all silver, to kind of go with that New Republic theme.
Yep.
Mr. Farrar also commented, TSARP community when, ? I never responded to that, but, maybe something's in the works. No, nothing's in the works. What would we do with the TSARP community? Just I don't know.
We'd be mentors.
We would have to I don't know how you make your own community. I believe you need the pro passport, and that's like $250, and it would kind of be useless. And then I think we would also have to renew it every year. So don't expect a TSARP community anytime soon. And nothing is in the works for that. That was a joke.
Could you?
If you're watching this, please make one for no reason.
Yeah.
Did I say earlier that it was Hackathon Eve? Well, if I
Yeah.
didn't, it's Hackathon Eve. I'm
Hooray.
pretty sure I did. Also, the 121st episode of TSARP. And yeah, so with it being Hackathon Eve and all, today was the day you had to submit your CDP if you're competing. By the way, good luck to anyone competing tomorrow. There's 18 teams, which is the largest in-person hackathon they've ever done. They've had hackathons larger, but those were virtual. And if you've been living under a rock, TSARP and two kids from East Williston will be joining, or will be doing the live stream. So that link will be in the description. It will also be on Code.li, I believe, CCEDU, and if you go to Hopog in the Coding Club Google Classroom. So a bunch of places to find it. It's going to be tons of fun. We have some ideas. We were thinking of doing, well, Mr. Ferrara gave us an idea of doing a sticker tier list, but I think it would be fun to do that during the live stream. I don't know if he meant for it during the live stream or just as another thing, but I think we might do it during the live stream. Like, a tier list of the best stickers. They all are amazing, though, so it's going to be hard to pick. So yeah, or not even really like a tier list, just a rank, like a plain, this is the best, that's the best, So yeah, so that's our idea for the live stream today. We always come up with new ideas, and we most of the time don't end up actually doing them. I remember last time we said we were going to show off gims Sam made, but we never got around to it. Yeah, last time was like the trial run, guys. Even though a ton of people really liked it, that was the trial. This one, the one tomorrow, is going to be like 1,000 times better. We got better mic quality. We got even some special guests joining us from East Williston, so that will be cool. I love meeting new people that like the code, because you meet new people a lot on Code.li, which is cool, but not always in person. That's why the in-person hackathons have been great, because we got to meet the people that we talk to all the time from Mineola in person and the other teams, and so these in-person hackathons have been great throughout the year. And actually, a question we ask a lot of people during the hackathon interviews is, what do you like better, virtual hackathons or in-person hackathons? And every time they say in-person, because it's so much fun. Yeah, last year, and I also said this on the live stream, and I'll probably say it tomorrow, that I liked being able to do a virtual one, because I can tell people, oh yeah, I've done a virtual one, and now I know, that I definitely like the in-person ones better, and that's probably an experience we hopefully won't have to ever do again virtual, but it's cool that we got to do it while it lasted.
Yeah.
So yeah, Sam, Steven, anything you want to wrap off the episode with?
Sticker Mule sent me an order number sticker, so now I have a sticker of my order number.
I love how that was the thing
Wow.
you had to share. The reason Steven got an order number sticker was because he ordered new Steampunk Moon ones in, and the good news is that they're here. So tomorrow, for anyone that was promised one that is there, I don't know if there are, I don't know what coaches are going to be there that are the same, but if we promised anyone one, they'll be there probably tomorrow. So yeah, so that, I love how Steven chose that to share, but that's my news for Steven.
Yay!
Sam, you got anything?
No, I don't think.
Relatable.
Relatable. Well, thank you all for listening. Today was a very exciting day, and tomorrow's going to be a lot more exciting than today was, let me put it that way. So yeah, so I'll again bring my Sharpie that I didn't get to use last time. If anyone, for some reason, wants an autograph, it's just been a meme at this point, but trust me, it will be there. Like anyone wants my autograph,
That's
really.
funny.
Yeah, Sam and Steven can borrow it too if you prefer theirs. Anyway, before I say anything else dumb, thank you all for listening, and we will see you tomorrow at the hackathon. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys!
Bye.